My name is Merengi Tami, Safety Manager of SAS Logistics Limited. Today we are here in Tanga. We've taken this time off on the 12th of December 2023. I have all the drivers who are available with us to stop all the operations and sit down with them and talk about safety procedures and all that is required for the cargo we are carrying. Tunahitajika kusimamisha operations zote, tukae chini, tujitafakari jinsi tunavyoubeba huu mzigo, jinsi tunavyokwenda na huu mzigo. Sasa katika kukumbushana tutatouch sehemu chache kwa sababu muda sio rafiki na hivi vikao ni endelevu, sio kwamba vitafanywa kwa siku moja vyote. This has come as a reminder from our clients that they want us to do this, but maybe we wouldn't have done it on the 12th of December, would have been done on the 14th of December, because whenever the drivers come, this is something that we always do. We drive from 6 to 6. Maanake 6 ukipaki mpaka mtu akaenda kutafuta chakula chake, akaweza kupata chakula na by saa 2 basi awe ameshatafuta sehemu ya kulala. We always remind our drivers of safety matters because of the nature of the cargo that we carry, the nature of the roads that we go through. We go through villages, we go through places where people live. So safety is of most important to SAS Logistics.